Πιστεύετε είτε όχι, δηλώσεις για την επίσκεψη του Πάπα στην Ελλάδα έκανε στο CNN η κυρία Λουκά.
I don't want Pap. I don't want Pap. Pap is killer. Killer. In the war in Serbia. I don't want Pap. I don't want Pap.
Μόνο εμείς όμως, κυρίες και κύριοι, τα καθάρματα του Αμάν, έχουμε ολόκληρη τη δήλωση της θεούσας Λουκά στο CNN.
I don't want Pap. Pap is killer. Who the guy? Who the guy? Who the guy? Who's wrong here? Who 666? Who 666? Who 666? Papa is a two-handed master. Papa go home. Papa don't preach. Papa was a Rolling Stone. Papa goes to Hollywood. 666, the number of the beast. 666, the number of the bomb. Hey, Pap, are you talking to me? Talking to me? To me? Papa, be careful because Luca, sometimes kill for the guys, sometimes kill for the religion. But you, Pap, I'll kill you for nothing.